Hi, my name is Elsa, and I have my sister and my friends here. Okay, here is Anna. Hi. And here's little Elsa. No, adult Elsa. I'm the baby. And a blankie. My blankie. That's Anna's blanket. And I'm here with, I forgot her name, but what's your name again?
I don't know. Pink.
Okay, I guess her name is Pink.
Hello.
Okay, anyways.
Nice Pinky.
Stop, Anna. You're ruining the YouTube video. Anyways. So, today, what we are doing is I am gonna show you Pink. She will be talking from now on.
Can I be sure? Today we are going to be doing a Shopkin video, and all of our Shopkins are in this vending machine. That's it. Elsa, go get the vending machine. Elsa's going to go get the.
I'm a streaker.
Elsa, go get the vending machine.
It's over here, okay?
Alright. So over here where Elsa is, there is the vending machine. Here we go. Yep, closer camera. Yeah, right there. So here is the vending machine, and all of our Shopkins are in here also.
Yeah! Hey, get off of there. I was just trying to be funny and you ruined it, Anna.
Why is it always blaming on me? I'm the youngest here.
I got it.
I'm not crazy.
Okay.
Here's the vending machine, and we're going to be opening the vending machine in this video to put the other Shopkins up. Today. Turn the camera back.
Let's get started.
Alright. Okay.
It's raining Shopkins.
It rained Shopkins. Whee! Raining shoes. My shoes.
It's raining Shopkins.
Okay, now let's put the Shopkins on the store. Elsa, you're being a little too crazy.
What are you talking about?
Let's put the Shopkins up. Okay. You gotta put the Shopkins. Okay, Anna can hold your plate.
Okay. So, we got the store all packed up with everything and stuff. So, I can't wait to have some fun. I'm going shopping in the Shopkin Mart. So, I know, what should I get? Should I go now?
At all.
Okay, I am going shopping. Okay, now let me see what's here. Ooh, I want this. Of course I do. Look at what I got. I got Chalk Kiss. You can even see for yourself. Let me move this camera. Okay. See? Okay. Bring it back up. Okay, I'm gonna go get this stuff. It's so quiet in the store. Can't wait for everyone to come. Hi. Hey, Elsa. Hey, Anna. Sorry, I love my name. Anyways, I'm gonna buy so much stuff. I want this. And this.
Got a carrot? Another carrot. Love carrots. Let's see. I want makeup.
You can come in. Come on, get stores.
Hello! I dropped my makeup!
I got so much stuff. Guys, look.
I got Blinky.
You guys, you gotta look. Look, just look. So much stuff. Anyways,
You look at my
I gotta
stuff.
find more. I need a shoe. These rain boots are good. And snow is not so good. Even though I can make it snow. Oh my gosh! This is not working.
I don't think mine's working because I got my Binky. My
Okay, I need another.
I want
basket.
birthday cakes. Birthday cakes.
Go get them. What are they for? It's not your birthday, is it?
I just want cakes. And these are the only cakes here.
Okay, you're taking all of them. Okay, I want to take.
Don't you ever want to?
What? Showing your hand and elbow. Sandy, you're getting way too much stuff.
No.
There's barely any.
Sandy, there's barely anything because of you. Get rid of some stuff.
People like a lot of stuff.
Shh. Shush, Peep! Shush!
The store is supposed to be quiet. I'm just gonna take so much stuff right now. Oh, I like this slipper.
I need another basket. Sissy. Hey, Elsa, that was my slipper. I had it 2 slippers.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna have it. Okay.
Do you want my other one?
Yeah, I do.
I just trying to catch me. Okay. Hey, where's Sissy? She was in here. Actually, I want a phone. I got a phone. Okay. Put everything back. Shut the door. I'll buy pink Sissy.
We have too much stuff. Why does Beep have too much stuff?
Thank you. Anybody want sushi?
Not me.
Me! Then there's 2 sushis and the lipstick. Who's the register? Where's the register?
I'll go get him. I'm here. I'm the register. Why am I going crazy? Take everything. I'm saving the rest for you guys. I'm saving the rest for you guys.
I want that purse.
I got all my stuff.
Certainly I want that purse.
Okay.
Well, I'm getting this.
I want to buy all this, okay?
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay. Just okay, here's the
That's
money.
good to be.
Here's the money. Okay, bye.
I was about to say how much it was. You only gave me $1.
Sorry.
Um,
Sushi is
Who's next? Me! Oh, I went this stuff.
okay, I'm gonna go to my house.
That will be $8.49.
Here you go. This is all my stuff.
Thank you. Have a great
No
day.
one touch it.
too.
You know I got this on
stuff. You only bought 2 telephones?
No, I didn't.
That would be $1. Yay! Here you go, you one stupid dollar!
What's the
Stupid
frick?
man!
How much is it? How much is
You?
that phone?
What phone?
Alright, whatever.
Yo, sissy.
Oh my god.
What phone do you want?
The phones. What
The only
phone?
$1.
Oh, I'll just get both of them. Here, $2 here. Bye.
Yeah, sis, you can have a phone. One
Okay,
phone.
bye. I have to go home.
What? Okay. I dump all my
We're all
stuff
living
out.
together.
We're not living together, by the way. Don't. Sissy.
I'm coming.
I thought we lived together because we're sisters.
We do. Anyways, let's just get home.
Yes. Trying to get over here.
Okay, let's go in the house. Anna, get in.
Yeah. Where's my blankie?
I found it.
Okay.
Two in. Da 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 da.
Okay, I'm
Da,
here.
da, da.
Keep taking it back! Hello? You're playing with this little egg. I just found the bathtub. My butt. I forgot to wash my butt. See my butt. See part 2.